Dear students, good evening. Students, today I am sharing two videos with you, and in first video we are reading the remaining chapter second of text paint, and we are doing the activities of this chapter. And in second video students, I am showing you how to make a drawing in text paint by using different tool. Okay, now I am going to start with activity of lesson second. Students, observe and use all the eraser around and square eraser available in the selector and find out the difference between them. Students, a round eraser is used to erase the drawing in a round shape or in free shape, and square eraser is used to erase the drawing in square shape. So this is the difference between both round and square eraser. Now there is a conversation between Tobo and Dobo. Dobo said, "Hi Tobo, I want to give a heading for my scenery. How can I do that on computer? Can you help me please?" Tobo, "Oh, it is so simple. We can write anything on a drawing by using the text tool." So, text tool is used in TextPaint if we want to write anything in our drawing. Now, students, there are the shortcut keys. The shortcut keys, how to open a new drawing, that is Control plus O. You have the two keys, combination keys. First you can press the Control, and with Control key, along with Control key you can press the O. Then for new file or new drawing, the shortcut key is Control plus N. Means there are the two keys. You can press Control, and along Control you can also press the N button. N alphabet keys on the keyboard. And for saving a drawing, you can use the Control key and plus S. Means these are the keys on the keyboard. So next is a text tool. Text tool is used to type or write a statement or to give a heading to a scenery. Now students, you have seen the drawing. Click on the text toolbar from the toolbar. Select the size and style of the letter from the selector and choose any color from the color palette. Click the drawing canvas. You will find a blinking cursor and type the text. Means students, if you want to write anything on your drawing, then you can use the text tool. Now students, there is a conversation between again Dobo and Tobo. Dobo said, while drawing my painting, I erased a portion of it by mistake. It was so lovely. I wanted to show it to my father. Now I have to redraw it." Tobo, "No need. I can get your erased portion back." Dobo, "How is that possible? Do you know magic?" Tobo, "No, I didn't know magic, but I know a command which can help you to get your erased work back. These two commands are undo and redo option." Dobo, "Great. Means whatever I erased by mistake, I will get that back." Then these commands are, first is undo. The thumb down button on the toolbar is undo button, and the function of the undo button is clicking this tool will cancel the last action performed. You can even undo more than once. Now observe the two pictures carefully. In the first picture, the text was added in the end by the person who was drawing this scenery, and the text is night scene. On clicking undo, the text got deleted as shown in the second picture. Now students, if you observe these two pictures, then in the second picture the text that is a night scene, that will be deleted. It means undo action, undo button is used to undo the last action that you performed. Now the redo command, the thumb up button on the toolbar is a redo button. Function of this button is to cancel the last undo action. Clicking this tool will reappear the drawing action you just undid with the undo button. Now students, you have the two sceneries. In the first scenery the text is not appear, and in the second scenery the text is appear. It means when you undo the changes, you can also redo these changes by clicking on the redo button. So redo button is used to cancel the last undo action that you performed. Now students, there are the shortcut keys for these command for undo and redo. You can also press Ctrl plus Z on the keyboard to undo. Means the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Z. Press Ctrl key along with Z key, that is on keyboard, to undo the changes. Means for undo command we can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Z, and for redo command the shortcut key is Ctrl plus R. You can press the Ctrl and R alphabet key on the keyboard to redo the action. Now students, in the last, there are some facts about the TextPaint that you must know. That do you know that who is the lead developer and a designer of TextPaint? Students, Will Kendrick is the lead developer and a designer of the TextPaint. And students, this software can be downloaded from the website, that is textpaint.org. It is a free software that can be freely downloaded. Then TextPaint is translated in more than 85 languages. So students, that's all in our reading section. Now we are moving to practical in second video. Thank you.